second word.
All right, what's up, boys? So we haven't really introduced the car yet, but we'll get to that later on in the video. Right now, we're going to fucking cut the resonator off an old ST because this thing is, if you can hear it, you can. That's the issue. You can't hear it. It's too fucking quiet. So we're going to see if we can get it cut off for cheap, and then later on actually get like
An actual exhaust.
a Flowmaster or some shit like that. But yeah, we'll see you there, boys. He's getting it cut off. Hell yeah, brother. So far it's coming off, boys. I mean, now you can hear it at least. Boys, we made a mistake.
Fuck, dude, that's a bad idea.
Oh, this is gonna be
Dude, we fucked up.
This is so loud. Dude, just wait. It's gonna be so fucking
Hold on, don't start it yet.
Don't win.
Hold on, don't start it.
Oh, fuck, dude.
Dude, this is gonna be so loud.
Okay, go. Oh, nut. Oh, dude. Give it away. Oh, dude, that sounds good. That sounds like a fun.
This sounds insane.
All right, this is a good cold start.
All right. Are you ready?
Yeah. The ST.
The boy with the new exhaust.
Yeah, we
made it a little loud with a good old straight pipe.
Yeah, just a good old straight pipe. But yeah.
Still got the cat butt muffler delete and resonator delete.
Cat muffler delete basically. It's straight pipe after the cat. That thing has an immense amount of issues. But yeah, we're gonna ride these. I'll get a little footage and then get to the cars. beans. Can't take the smoke. We're gonna introduce the new addition to the fam.
This is my car. This replaced the shitty primer gray Mustang that was last seen. Sally. Yep, old Sally. This
Rest in
one's-
peace, that girl. She used to sat a little down there.
But
Right.
she went to a junkyard, finally done and done.
Get smashed.
But this is my 2014 Focus ST. It is mostly stock. Has very few things done to it. It has Canadian air filter, stock air box, some poser delete kit, and it's got a resonator and muffler delete. Other than that, and mud flaps. But other than
Oh, and that has catch cans too.
oh yeah, catch it. Pretty much bone stock. It is the ST3 package, so it's got the full leather required seats and everything in it. It is a little messy,
That's pretty clean in here.
but it's not too bad. It's
But yeah,
pretty clean.
it's got it all.
73,000 miles.
You can see the pearl in the paint. But yeah, I mean, it's pretty nice. Full leather interior.
And oh,
That's
fuck,
pretty nice.
AJ. You want me to hit the tree?
But if you can't tell, there's a little exhaust up about right.
Boy, you barely
There.
tapped it.
But yeah, that's why there's no muffler tip. But yeah, basically this is Dawn's new car. We still got Lexi. We got the old fast boy. Still got Lucy. She's still slow and has even more issues now.
Does maintenance once.
Does maintenance once and regrets it ever since.
Has not ran. Oh, dude, you like the fucking alignment on that thing?
No, no, dude, it's just
Oh.
this wheel right here is that way and this wheel straight.
That's not good.
It's pretty mint
Wait,
in my opinion.
no.
Yeah, no. From a straight, yeah, that wheel, this wheel is still cockeyed.
She's a racing machine.
That thing's a bogger.
Here, I'll show you all the peak vlog. You all ready for this? Look at that.
Race car suspension and all. Not really, this thing's like bone stock. We just beat the living shit out of it. But yeah, this is the cars. This is Nolan's new car.
It is slow.
It is slow as fuck, but it sounds pretty good. Guys, we are cleaning the cars. I
It's
don't know.
also the next day.
It's also the next day. Yeah, we moved forward. It's Saturday now. Just here, it's Friday. Had a lot of fun last night.
Got
So,
a little too fun. But
yeah, we're finally detailing. I haven't had the chance to clean this car like this in a long time. Currently cleaning up the Honda. He's got the seats out of the ST.
this is the STC. Gonna clean that up with some leather conditioner on it.
Old ST.
That's the old battery cable out so that way the seat airbags don't blow my head off.
Jeez. Yeah, getting this thing fully clean. Look at that. Clean up the sides.
It's clean.
Oh yeah,
It's getting there.
it's getting there.
Outside's dirty.
I just cleaned the hell out of my wheels. Yeah, did. Yes, you should. That's tough, do it. But yeah, getting all cleaned up. Still have to wash it down. Okay. Alrighty. We'll let you know when we're all clean.
It's gonna hit stand.
Alright, what's up, boys? Taylor's about to be really gay, and we're gonna take this thing button. And we're gonna honestly
Why?
This thing's a mud bong champ.
Mud bomb! Mud bomb! You better ramp this motherfucker off.
My man! Oh. Dude, those old people like, what the fuck did we just watch? Dude, the people down there, dude, like, what? Dude, he's so fucking confused.
Confused screaming. Oh shit,
Whoa,
look.
fuck. Oh my god. Oh shit. What's up, guys? We are back. We are currently
Sucking dick.
Can you shut the fuck up?
Can't talk.
How you guys doing? So we got a shit ton of buffing stuff. We are currently cleaning the Honda. We are currently cleaning the piece of shit Coyote.
Alright, fuck you.
Yeah, I'll record that. On the camera it looks good, but we got some of that. We're currently like just getting all the swirls out, and then we got this. Got some chemical guys, Hydro Slick. This stuff is good.
Peace, dude. God.
You're a dildo.
To be truthfully honest.
Dude, probably not. We're testing out one of these Walmart buffers. What was it, $60?
It was like 40 and some change.
Whoa. So currently we are doing the second.
So currently we're fucking
Basically.
we're going down.
Currently we are on stage 2 of cutting the paint. Then we're going to wax it. Okay guys, I didn't really get the chance to close out the video. Kind of left it off on a weird note. We didn't really get to finish even buffing it. It tested out pretty good. We ended up waxing my car. We did the full stage, and then we did the ceramic coating. It did pretty damn good. It feels like the paint glass on the hood because I did the front clip. We did a bunch of random stuff. This video was really thrown together. I was just trying to get a little bit of content out there. So it's just really like, it was like the course of like 3 days. So it was like really hit and miss when we were recording. We're gonna try to get better on the content like level of just recording better, but obviously it's just the first few videos. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a like. If you guys would like to subscribe, it'd help a lot. So thank you guys for watching. Peace out.